Have you ever, been searching and searching for something and you just can't find it?
Yeah, all the time.
Well, today we're diving into a really common problem that businesses face using ERP systems like Acumatica, specifically when they need to quickly find important notes attached to specific records, things like sales orders. It can really slow things down and make it harder for teams to talk to each other.
Yeah, totally. When important details are hard to find, it prevents businesses from working as well as they could be.
Right. So to help us with this, we're joined today by Balaji from Tiana Solutions.
Awesome.
Balaji is a principal functional consultant with over 13 years of experience with ERP.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know. He's resolved over 500 unique client scenarios across all the Acumatica editions. His knowledge, especially about generic inquiries, is going to be really helpful to our discussion today about efficiently viewing notes within Acumatica sales orders.
It's amazing how much of an impact something seemingly small, like note visibility, can have on a company's everyday work.
For sure. So let's talk about the main issue. Imagine your team is handling lots of sales orders in Acumatica and needs to add specific notes, maybe about a special customer request or a certain way something needs to be shipped. But the standard Acumatica view doesn't show these notes very clearly or in an easy-to-find list. What are some real-world effects of this?
Well, the biggest problem is wasted time and possible mistakes. Users end up having to go into each individual sales order just to find the notes. For businesses that process a high number of orders, that can add up to hours of lost productivity every week. Plus, missing a crucial note because of this could lead to unhappy customers.
Yeah, that's not good.
Right.
Okay, so let's talk about a solution. Balaji suggests using Acumatica's generic inquiry feature. Can you tell us about this?
Of course, Acumatica's generic inquiry tool lets users make their own customized views of data. The solution here is to simply modify the sales order generic inquiry. By doing that, we can add a field to the results grid.
Interesting. So what is that important field?
The order note text field. When this field is added to the sales order generic inquiries results, any notes for a specific sales order will be visible right in the inquiry list.
That sounds so much more efficient. Can you give an example of how this would actually help an Acumatica user?
Sure. Imagine a customer service rep gets a question about an existing sales order. Instead of having to open up that order and search through different tabs to find notes, they can just pull up the sales order generic inquiry. If there are any important notes for that order, like special instructions, they'll be visible right away.
Makes sense.
This way they can help the customer much faster.
So basically, by making this one change, we solve the problem of having those notes hidden within each individual order, which saves a ton of time.
Exactly. It's all about making important information easy to find for the people who need it.
Totally. And for anyone listening who's dealing with this in their own Acumatica system, Tiana Solutions, the biggest services partner with Acumatica, has the expertise to put these solutions into action. They have a team of experienced consultants who are dedicated to helping businesses like yours make their Acumatica systems more efficient and effective. They can help with customization, solve support problems quickly, and be there to help your teams.
And they've worked on over 500 different client situations.
Right, so they know what they're doing and they know how to find solutions for your specific business.
Absolutely.
If you're looking to streamline your Acumatica processes and see your important data more clearly, give Tiana Solutions a call at 678-910-2774 to set up a time to talk about your needs.
That leads us to a really important question for you. How much more efficient could your team be if they could access all the key information they need in Acumatica right when they need it?
That's a great question. Think about that and reach out to Tiana Solutions to learn more about how their expert knowledge of Acumatica can help your business work better. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Thanks, everyone.